Good morning to one and all. This is the blissful Bhavna from class 7th Mahavir International School. Standing over here to tell you all about the process of the photosynthesis. So today we all will learn about the process of the photosynthesis. So as we all know that all the living beings including human beings, plants and the animals needed the food to live. The human beings and the animal eaten it food, but the plants could not eat as human beings and the animals. So the plant prepare its own food by the process of the photosynthesis. So first of all, I will tell you that what are the four main things which is needed for the process of the photosynthesis. So that four main things are the water. Yes, the water is also required for the process of the photosynthesis. The second one is the chlorophyll, which is present on the leaves. Third, the light energy. Yes, so there is the light of the sun. The fourth one is the CO2, which is present in the air. These are the four things which is needed for the process of the photosynthesis. So now I will explain you it properly. Now I will tell you about the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is a green pigment found in chloroplast present in the cell of leaves. It absorbs and stores energy from light. The energy is the further utilized in the process of photosynthesis. So chlorophyll is a green pigment which is present in the leaves. As you can see, these leaves are present due to the chlorophyll. Now this chlorophyll will absorb the energy from the light. So it will absorb the energy from the light. It can be a sunlight or any artificial light. Then the further process begins of the photosynthesis. Now let's talk about the CO2 and the water. As I told you that CO2 is present in the atmosphere. CO2 and water are raw materials for photosynthesis. It absorbs CO2 from the air. So the plant absorbs CO2 from the air, as I have told you. So the CO2 will enter a plant through the pores, which is called the stomata, present on the surface of the leaf. So as I told you that on the surface of the leaf there is the stomata and the chlorophyll. Stomata had the CO2 to enter the plants. And the plant absorbed the water from the roots. As you can see that I have given here the water. So this water will absorb by a plant through the roots. And when the CO2 and the water is plus in the plant, so it will reduce a glucose which helps the plant to make its food. And that glucose is carried through special tubes of the plants. So as we have learned that how the process of photosynthesis takes place, now we will learn that what we have learned. So first of all, I would like to tell you that this term photosynthesis is divided into two parts, which is the photo and synthesis. So photo plus synthesis. Now let's check the meaning of the photo and synthesis. So photo means light, and the synthesis means to putting together. So this is the meaning of the